Hello everyone, it's Lachey again. I'm back with another unboxing. Girl, it's late. I had to find something to wear to try this belt on for you guys. It's an MCM belt and an MCM change purse because I figured I could cute it up with the two of them. So I ordered them from two different places. One is from Joma. On my last video, I pronounced it wrong. It's Joma Shop. Joma Shop. Joma. MCM belt, and then from the MCM store I ordered a change purse, and I ordered my mom a change purse because I love her, because that's my boo. So I am going to open this now. This came in the mail yesterday, so y'all are gonna see what I see. You're gonna see what I see. And before I do that, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will try to do a video at least once a week with something, honey, because I shop a lot. I'm in my closet right now. I'll do a closet tour later, but like I said in the last video, my closet is a mess. I have a really good friend that's supposed to be coming over here helping me organize this closet, honey, and I'll be doing some giveaways too. When I get to I would say let's do 500. When I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to give something away. It's going to be designer and it's authentic. I never do imitation. I might make the little purses and the little things with the Chanel inspired details and Yves Saint Laurent, Dior inspired details. But when it comes to my fashion, it's straight legit. I'm killing it on Poshmark too. So if you're not following me on there, I'll put all of that in the link below. But let's get into the unboxing, because I can't stand when people be talking on these things, honey. And folks just be trying to get into the video. Okay, so what did I just pull out? Okay, I pulled out my receipt. So the belt was originally $137. Actually, originally it was $235. But it was marked down to $137, and then I got it on a sale for $108. It's a genuine MCM belt. So, of course, you know, they send you all the authentication cards and all that. So, we're going to see that first. That's all the stuff they send you, honey. They send you all the little stuff. Yes, get into it. I have about maybe 6 MCM handbags. So, this is the belt. So this belt is pink. I'm guessing that's why it was on sale. And I also ball on a budget, honey, because, you know, if I don't catch it on sale, I'm not buying it. It's got to be on sale. So it came packaged like this. And these belts say one size fits all. That's another thing. Because my waist is about a 34, 35 waist. No, I did not have a BBL. I need to lose some weight for real, but please, if whatever you do, love yourself no matter what size you are. That's another thing I want to say. I know this is about the unboxing, honey, but it's also about inspiration, because I am a plus size woman. I used to be really, really skinny. As I got older, especially in my 40s, honey, I just started gaining weight. It is what it is. So I'm going to try the belt on for you guys too. But this belt is pink, and I thought it was pink and black, but it's pink and gray. Pink and gray. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. It look okay. It looks okay. It's one size fits all, but we're gonna test that too. We're gonna test that too. Okay, so should I try the belt on? Let me open this first. Let me open. So that's the belt. That's the belt. So came with all the stuff. So now, honey, I ordered a change purse. Why it came in this big box, I don't know. But one of them is a gift for my mom. I ordered 2. Whew. Okay. So oh, that's dope. Okay. So they wrapped it. That's really nice. I like that. Honey, there's nothing like unwrapping a beautiful package. I love it. So like I said, I ordered one for myself, one for my mom. And please don't mind my nails. I caught myself trying to do my own nails, girl, with dipping powder. It turned out to be a dippy mess. Oh, that's another story for another day. Okay, so she sent me this bag, which is cute because I guess I'll put my mom's gift in this bag. Oh, let me see. Y'all know we got to do everything. We got to do all this. Okay, this is for my mom. Because that's my favorite. Like, she's my biggest fan. I love my mom. My mom is the bomb. And if you know my mom, you would know that she loves stuff like this. So we are going to unwrap this. And as I said, this one came from the MCM store. Okay, she's cute. Okay. All right, all right. Cute packaging. Okay, so far so good. So this change purse is black and pink, black and pink. Now I thought the belt was black and pink too. So I called myself about to cute it up real quick because I'm gonna try it on for y'all. Of course, they give you the authentication card with the stuff and okay, all of that, all that. They give you that. So the change purse was on sale for like $120 or something. The change purse actually costs more than the belt. Not on here, girl. I'm just be you, okay? Be you, be beautiful. Plus size, skinny, whatever. I've been married for almost 20 years. Love my husband. Love him. Awesome man of God. Okay, so let's try the belt on first. I'm taking all this stuff over here. Should I take this over here? Because if I don't like it, I will be putting it on Poshmark, honey. If it don't look right, you will be going on Poshmark. Okay, so I put on a jumpsuit. So, girl, okay, stuff is still, girl, stuck to my hand and everything. Okay, yes. Let's see, one size fits all. All right, MCM. That's what the thing said. One size fits all. Now, where's the last hole on here? Oh, okay. So I have it on the last hole. Can y'all see that? I have it on the last hole. What? Okay. Can y'all see the color of the belt? All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. Not bad. So here was my plan. Oh, and actually I don't like this because I can't take that. Like, so you can wear it like this. And like I said, I put on a jumpsuit. I wouldn't wear it with this jumpsuit, but I just wanted to throw on something quick to do the unboxing. Girl, like, I don't like that hanging off like that unless it was an exaggerated hang like that way. But girl, no. I don't like that. So this is what I thought I was going to do, honey. I thought I was going to be real cute with it. And put the change purse on the belt. But see, this part is a little bit thick. See, I wanted to rock it like this, honey, because you got to do you. But that's not cute. If y'all like that, let me know, because I don't like it. Girl, yes. I don't like it. Okay, so I'll put some of the specs in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And I also want to do try-ons as well, plus size try-ons, because I am plus size. I'm working on losing weight, but the weight is working on me. Without all that, all of that being said, y'all have a blessed day. And remember, nobody can beat you at being you. Honey, just be original, be yourself. It doesn't matter what people think about you, because hate is going to hate. Just be you. Look out for me selling this on Poshmark, girl. Because I don't like it. Bye.